Another type of population interaction is of mutualism. Mutualism is a type of interaction in which both the partners will be benefited. Both the partners that will be benefited in the mutualism. The well-known example of mutualism, mutualism is also known as symbiosis. Symbiosis, and its well-known example is of liking. Liking in which algae and fungi both the living together and perform functions for each other. That is the liking. It is an example of symbiosis and mutualism. Like that, Rhizobium bacteria. It is also example of mutualism or symbiosis, in which like Rhizobium bacteria provide the nitrogen to the legume plants, and legume plants provide nutrition to these Rhizobium bacteria. Another example is mycorrhizae. Mycorrhiza, where there is mycos means fungus, and rhiza, that is the roots. If you see in the pinus tree or gymnosperm, where the fungi and roots, the roots of the pinus trees or gymnosperm is associated with the fungal partners, and there they in fungi in gymnosperm, these mycorrhizae provide the raw material and get nutrition from that gymnosperm. So these are the example of mutualism. Like that in nature, different organisms like birds, not birds, plants. Plants is always depend upon the birds for the pollination. Pollination means they obtain, these birds obtain food from the plants, and then in this way pollination is occur along with the obtaining foods. So both they evolved side by side. So this is the example of mutualism. If we see that is wasp. Wasp, the species of wasp laying the eggs in the fruits of fig trees. So fig trees के fruits में wasp अपने अंडे देती है, तो they obtain the shelters and also help in the pollination. So these two different plants, two different organisms benefited together. If we see another example of that of mutualism, which is present in the Ophrys, orchid Ophrys, उसके अंदर सेक्सुअल डिसिट, सेक्सुअल डिसिट, that is normally these Ophrys employs sexual deceit whenever this is the particular types of orchid plants. Its flower resembles the wings of bees. So bees come on the Ophrys flower for the copulation, because the Ophrys flower like the wings of female bees. So bees comes near the Ophrys flower for the copulation, because they see that is the female bees. So they comes near the Ophrys flower for the copulation, but it is the sexual deceit. उनको लगता है पर that is not the female bees. In this way, the pollination is also occur. So it is also example of mutualism. in which both the organisms benefited with the help of mutualism. One more type of population interaction, that is a proto-cooperation. Proto-cooperation, that is non-obligatory, it is facultative. In proto-cooperation, both their members is also benefited, but not always. Means they always not present together in the nature. But in mutualism, both the members benefited and they always present together in the nature. But in proto-cooperation, both the organisms benefited but not present together. It is facultative or non-obligatory. जरूरी नहीं हमेशा साथ रहे. For example, then birds and animals. If you see in that grassland field, the small animals, many grazing animals are there, and on that grazing animals, some birds are present. Birds take food by the removing parasite from these animals. बर्ड्स फूड कैसे लेंगे? उन एनिमल्स के ऊपर जो पैरासाइट होते हैं, इन पैरासाइट को वन बाय वन वो लेते हैं, उनसे वो फूड ऑब्टेन करते हैं. इन दिस वे दे बर्ड्स गेट फूड एंड एनिमल्स रिमूव फ्रॉम दैट, दे रिलैक्स फ्रॉम द पैरासिटिक पैरासाइट की जो उनसे पेन है या उनसे उनको रिलीफ मिलता, पेन रिलीफ मिलता. स्पेशली also example of oak-pecker and rhinoceros. Oak-pecker, that is the example of birds, and rhinoceros, that is the animals. So oak-pecker उन पर जितने भी पैरासाइट्स होते हैं उन पैरासाइट को खाता है, और राइनोसेरोस उस पैरासाइट से उनको रिलीफ मिलता है, पेन रिलीफ मिलता है. That is a proto-cooperation, not always obligatory. That is a non-obligatory. Another example is of plover and crocodile. Plover and crocodile. Plover is another type of bird. After the eating food, that crocodile come outside the water and open their mouth. These are the crocodile teeth. This is the mouth of crocodile, and these plover birds come and sit here and remove the different food particles which is present in between the teeth of the crocodile, just like leaves or any other. In this way, the plover get food from these food particles and the teeth of crocodile will be cleaned. तो यहाँ दोनों क्रोकोडाइल टीथ क्लीन हो जाते हैं, और उसको अगर लीव्स वगैरह है तो उनसे पेन रिलीफ भी मिलता है, और फ्लावर को फूड मिलता है. सो दैट इज प्रोटो-कॉपरेशन, बट इट इज नॉट ऑब्लिगेटरी. हमेशा साथ साथ नहीं रहते हैं. दैट मे बी और नॉट मे बी. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन which is present between the different organisms. Just that is of I revise these different types of population interaction. One is of that is predation, competition, amencitism, commensalism, mutualism, proto-cooperation. So these are the different types of population interaction which is present between the different individuals, different animals.